What's happening, man? What's going on? Y'all insurance agents. Y'all ready to answer some questions? Okay. It said, which of the following best describe a short-term medical expense policy? A, non-cancelable. B, non-renewable. C, guaranteed renewable. Or D, conditionally renewable. I'm gonna go with non-renewable. Bebop for 50 points. Ding! Correct. A typical short-term medical expense policy is best described as non-renewable. That's right. Take notes. All right. The next question, please. It says, which of the following is not included in a policy face? That means the first page, if you didn't know. A, exclusion. B, free-look provision. C, name of insured. Or D, name of insurer. All that is on the first page besides A, Bob, exclusion. For 50 points. Ding! Correct. So live. Good job. It says the exclusion select section is not included in the face policy. First page of an insurance policy. That's right. Okay, next question, please. Under an individual health insurance policy, the time limit of certain defense provisions states that non-fraudulent misstatements first become incontestable in 2 years. A, from the date initial premium was collected. Or B, from the date that the policy was issued. Or C, from the date the application was signed. Or D, from the date of the sale appointment. I'm going with B, Bob, from the date that the policy was issued. Ding! Correct. It says, under the time limit of certain defense provisions in an individual health insurance policy, non-fraudulent misstatements first become incontestable 2 years from the date the policy was issued. That's right. Take them notes. Because it's going to be on the test. They might reword it. But it don't mean the same thing. Okay, next question. Please. I said please. Okay, you say, which of the following policy provisions prohibits an insurance company from incorporating external documents into an insurance policy? A, entire contract. B, waiver. C, incontestable. Or D, exceptions and reductions. I'm going with A, Bob. Entire contract for 33 points. Ding! Correct. Boy, I'm on the road today. Yep, an entire contract. It said, an entire contract policy provision prohibits an insurance company from incorporating external documents into an insurance policy. Yes. Okay. It says, what is considered to be a characteristic of a conditional renewable health insurance policy? Conditionally renewable. Let's see. A, policies may be amended by insurer at any time. B, premiums may increase at time of renewal. C, premiums may increase at any time. D, policies may be renewed at the discretion of the insurer. Conditionally renewable. I'm going with B, Bob. Premiums may increase at time of renewal. Ding! Correct. A conditionally renewable health insurance policy can increase premiums at time of renewal. Okay, next question, please. Which of the following statements describes what an accident and health policy owner may not do? A. Adjust the premium payments. B. Cancel the coverage. C. Assign ownership. Or D. File a cover claim. Assign ownership. That's what I'm thinking. He can't adjust premium payments either, I don't think. I'm going with A, Bob. Ding! Correct. The owner of the accident and health policy may not change the premium amount. He don't have the right to do that. Take notes. Alright, next question, please. It says, which of these statements accurately describes the waiver of premium provision in an accident and health policy? A. Premiums are waived after the insurer has been totally disabled for a specified time period. B. Premiums are waived after the insurer has been unemployed for a specified time period. C. Past due premiums on a lapsed policy are waived and coverage is restored. Or D. The insurer is paid a monthly benefit to keep insurance premiums current in the event of total disability. The insurer is paid to keep insurance premiums are waived after the insurer has been totally disabled. A, Bob. Ding! Correct. The waiver of premium provision waives the payment of premiums after the insurer has been totally disabled for a specified period of time. That's right. Get them notes, because that test coming up, buddy. The next question said, it gonna ask me this right here. When an insurance company sends a policy to the insured with a attached application, the element that makes the application part of the contract between the insurer and the insurer is A. Insuring clause. B. Legal contract clause. C. Time limit on certain defense provisions. Or D. Entire contract provision. It's insurance sends a policy to the insurer with an attached. The element that makes the application part of the contract between. I'm going with D, Bob. Entire contract provision. Ding! Correct. The entire contract provision states that the application and policy contain all provisions and constitute the entire contract. That's right. Take them notes. Next question, please. Okay. It says, K has a health policy that must be renewed by the insurer, and the premiums can only be increased if applied to the entire class of insured. This type of policy is considered increase renewed by the insurer. A. Conditionally renewable. B. Guaranteed renewable. C. Optionally renewable. Or D. Non-cancelable. See, when it say renewed by the insurer and the premiums only can be increased, that's guaranteed, baby. That's guaranteed renewable. B, Bob. Ding! Correct. Guaranteed renewable is best described as a policy that must be renewed and premium rate increase can only be applied if for an entire class of insured. That's right. Next question, please. It says, with optionally renewable health policies, the insurer may renew the policy only if no claims have been filed the previous year. B. Renew the policy only with the insurer's consent. C. Review the policy whenever they please and determine whether or not to renew it. Or D, review the policy annually and determine whether or not to renew it. I was gonna say C, but D sounds a little bit better than C, so I'm going with D, Bob, for 38 points. Ding! Correct. It said with an optionally renewable policy, the insurance company may review the policy annually and choose whether or not to renew it. That's right. Next question, please.